Hey, yo, I'm going to be super real with you. You don't have to fold yourself into a pretzel, wear matching Lululemon athleisure suits, or even know the difference between Abhyanga and Ashtanga to start a Kundalini yoga practice. Instead of opening yourself up to a new experience, maybe you're letting the fear of looking like an outsider keep you completely paralyzed. You've convinced yourself, it's up here, that you aren't allowed to walk through the door because you don't know the terminology, maybe you've only got one good knee, and maybe you've never taken a yoga class in your life. But let's be honest, this practice isn't for people who can scratch behind their ear with their big toe. For God's sakes, I can't even do that. It's simply about having the courage to say, I'm ready to upgrade my health, my mindset, and my energy. Real transformation doesn't demand expertise. It just requires you to give yourself permission to be a total beginner. And in this space, listening to your body is the actual practice. If a posture feels like too much, well, then you modify it. You slow down, you adjust, and you do what works for you. You're absolutely 0 points for forcing yourself into pain. Because we're a community that's explicitly built to support you, hold each other up. No matter your fitness level, your flexibility, or your background knowledge, please, you don't need to fear the unknown. Stepping through the door takes real courage, but you've already got that in you. You just have to choose to show up for yourself. You know you've watched enough videos about this already, for God's sakes. It's time to actually do it. Okay, let's take one of our newer students. Let's call her Zoe. The minute she finally walked in the studio, she looked at me and confessed she's been actually following our socials for years. It literally took her years to build up the courage to just step through our door. But the second she finished that first class, she was completely shocked by how fast her energy shifted, especially because she didn't feel her usual cloud of lingering anxiety. She told me her only regret was waiting so long to start. So we even started seeing Zoe at the studio more often, and I've been watching her transform. It's been incredible. Within a short time, she's told me her chronic back pain was entirely gone, her anxiety had deeply minimized, and she's finally gaining her confidence back. It's amazing. So take it from Zoe. Don't wait years to start your practice. We genuinely love welcoming new students and fresh perspectives into the space. And we would love to meet you exactly as you are. So come, make that change you've been mulling over for way too long. Tap the link in my bio to check out our class schedule, and let's get you on the mat. Satnam.